for 1 quick second? Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, so so we're in the car. It's Sunday, January 24th, and we are going to Shamica's showcase. Off. Okay, I wasn't done talking yet. So Shamica's there, Sham.
Hey,
are you in there? Can I see you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't turn around. You just keep freaking driving.
I can turn around.
No.
I can do a lot of things driving.
So yeah, that's what we're doing. I did my makeup. What do you guys think? Think it looks good? I thought I did a pretty good job for my first time. You know that way there? You know what I say? You know what I say, right? You understand or you don't understand? Which one is it? You understand or you don't? Tell me if you like it. Thumbs up if you like it, and comment below if you don't like it, and tell me what it is you don't like about it, and we will work on it and fix it. You understand?
Yeah, you got it.
Shit.
Is that a car wash? I'm getting so mad.
Yo, just keep going. Just keep fucking going. I mean, sorry, just keep going. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're heading downtown. And yeah, I'm really excited to see Shamica perform. She's performing 3 songs. And if you don't know by now who Shamica is, I'm tired for telling you. She's the intro and the outro to season 1. She's supposed to be the intro and the outro to season 2, but you know, all the things set, the laptop and everything not really fixed up yet, so we cannot do all these things right now what we want to do. But at some point in season 2, she will be the intro and the outro. And yeah, so you know, family supports family, and that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna go support her and make her look like a idiot, because we're gonna scream our heads off and clap the fuck out of that clap the hell out of that show. And yeah, so I did my hair and I did my makeup, girl. Yes, you understand? I want to be 26. This is my last Sunday as a 25-year-old. Next week, these times, I will be 26 years old. So I'm a woman now. I have to start, you know, being the parts. These things, I'll show you guys my outfit of the day when we get there. But that's it for now. We're just going there, so there's nothing really to vlog. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm so excited! I'm so excited for you! Cold? Ooh! Yes, look at that lighting though. Yes! Are we
would
cute?
never know it was the middle of fucking winter.
Are we cute or not?
Yeah.
We're cute! So we're walking to the show now. We have like literally, I don't know, like 2 minutes? Oh, 10 minutes.
Oh my god. No, we good. We good stuff. It's right there.
But it's
right
literally
there,
right
Yeah,
there.
but I was supposed to be there for 30.
Shamica, shut up.
She's performing at the Hard Rock Cafe. And
They didn't do enough right for you.
I know.
Their eyes left you.
these girls want to friggin' die downtown. And some of us are in heels.
Yes. Look at that.
Oh my god! And we're gonna die.
Dying.
Because yeah, like we just can't manage it. And it's so freaking cold.
Times Square.
Yeah, just walk through Times Square.
Okay, wait.
Okay, let's go.
Our Times Square though. My feet hurt. Okay. Jing it out. Hold on. Jing it out. Ow. You're not in a good way.
Oh no. That's what happens when you try to slay. When you try to slay, you gotta pay. You gotta pay for slay. You know them way there? Yeah. You have to pay to slay. If you don't pay to slay, you can't do anything, Ray. Hey, baby. I'm so excited. I know 2 of her songs. 1 of them I don't. But I'm so excited. I'm super excited to see her perform. Wait, one of your songs that you're performing is the outro to season 1. It's season 1's outro is I Am Okay. And that's one of the songs that she'll be performing today. So yeah, we're gonna head in now. Oh my god, it's so freaking cold. Like, it's so cold.
There you go.
Thank you, Sugar Plum. You should actually be going first. Hi.
Hi there.
Woo.
Wait, what happened?
Oh, okay.
Wait, what did you say? We have to get her ready.
Like I said, I understand. But according
Manager, like,
We were caught off guard
first
because
of all, I got this gig and I can't even get in.
that's her manager. Okay.
Fuck, whatever.
But
So cute,
yeah,
though.
we couldn't we couldn't get in because we're not performing, so we couldn't get her ready. So I just
Next
hope.
time I'm gonna say I'm a performer. So I'm performing at SINCLAIR. Yeah, my name is Shamica SINCLAIR.
So
We're twins.
we can't get her hair and makeup done and tell her whether or not whatever she's putting on
And,
is
you know,
decent or
shampoo.
not. So we're just gonna pray
Yes.
that everything's okay with her, because if it's not, she better not put us to shame. That's all I can say. Okay. But I'm excited to eat. We're at the Hard Rock Cafe. Have you guys ever been here? What should I eat? Even though I'm not putting this up now, like today, where you guys can help me decide what I want to eat today. But you know what I mean? Like, what should I eat? Like, what do you recommend at the Hard Rock Cafe? It's my first time here.
Me too. Actually, maybe not.
I should go take a picture over there.
Yeah, you
Actually.
should.
At the Hard Rock Cafe now, and we just ordered. Well, I ordered food. I'm getting some fajitas because your girl is hungry. I can't believe I'm about to spend all this money on some food, but I'm hungry. You understand? I mean, I'm hungry. Okay? Even though I shouldn't be using any money because my birthday weekend is coming up and I need all the money I can. You know, even though my dinner is free because it's on my birthday. But still, I gotta pay for bowling. And, no, I lied. I know I'm not paying for anything, but still, you know, I still need a couple more outfits. But, yeah, so we're just chilling like a little
Oh,
lamb.
my nail's broken. Damn, I shouldn't have did that.
And I took off my nail polish in the core because it
you?
was like, I did it, and then,
It's good in here.
huh?
Looks good in here.
Yeah, I know.
Huh?
Yeah, so nice in here. And she's performing upstairs. Yo, we make it in a life. Remember me telling you that we make it in a life. In a real life, we make it. You understand? But yeah, so yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm just waiting for my food so I can fucking eat, and then go upstairs and watch my cousin perform. I'm so excited. So excited. So yeah, look up more. Look at my food, you guys. I got my fajitas with my Auntie Valerie. Say hi. You're gonna be on YouTube. I am? Yes. No, please don't. Are you excited to see your daughter perform?
I saw her. I went to saw her before.
I'm excited. I'm so excited. I'm super
You never gone
excited.
before?
I've never seen her perform.
When did she perform? Downtown one night. You're not running me. Yeah. Was it? Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm so excited. You know, like, it's my cousin. I'm so excited to see her.
What's going on the podcast? Yo. On the podcast.
It's not a podcast. It's a vlog.
Vlog. I'm vlogging.
He's vlogging.
Vlogging.
He's vlogging.
Shamica, we're interested in the position.
I know, but that's why I told her, I'm like, you have to stand out because
That's right.
majority of the time, they're not going to remember your name. They're going to be like, you remember that girl in the red dress? So, like, you gotta stand out, man. Oh, the bruschetta. That's what I was going to buy, but I was like, I'm not finishing that. Oh, they got the food I wanted to get, bro. Look at this. It's so good.
Get a drink in the bar. Get comfortable. Up next, we got Big Blacks Plus Speedy. Yeah. We might scare you, but he won't eat you.
Wait, what? I thought you were next. Downtown. Like, she's not next, and they keep telling us that she's next, and she's not next. So, like, I don't get it. Yo, look at these walls. They look like so, like, I know, from far.
So we're gonna switch it up a little bit. We're gonna make this energy. We're gonna keep it going. But coming up next, we got the beautiful Shamica. I wish they cheered for me like that.
Crazy, I love it.
Woo!
Thank you.
Woo!
I appreciate everybody coming out. My name is Shamica.
Yes, lady in red.
Hey, the first song is about love. I know everybody can relate.
That's my
It's a
girl.
special
Oh
occasion.
my God, it's incredible.
Valentine's Day coming up. This is for the lovers.
Yes. Addicted to love. I'm addicted to love.
I can't stay still.
Shake it.
I can tell you the dreams I've had, but I wouldn't want to make you sad. So mess up now, baby. It's okay. No longer the tears I had. No more will I be holding back. From this moment, I need all I have. What about you? If you ever trust somebody? Can you ever love somebody? What about you? I can only love somebody. Can I fully love somebody? I know the pain hurts so bad I can't help it. I'm addicted to love.
I'm addicted to love. Yeah. I'm addicted to love. I'm addicted to love.
All I ever need. Addicted to love.
What? Yes. I'm addicted to love. It's all I ever
I'm
need.
addicted to love.
Yep. Yeah. Woo. I'm addicted to love.
Yeah, it's all I ever want.
Woo! Woo! That's what's up right there. Oh, Jesus, yeah, Jesus. Wait. This is my song. Hey! Look up in the sky, it's a bird right there. It's a girl right there. So high, it's a bird right there. Telling me what's going on. Hey. Yo, this is my track. Eyes open wide. Hey. Yes. What you say? Woo! Woo! I'm okay.
I hope so.
All the things we've been going through, that's okay.
No, I don't think you know me.
By the way, you can't be too comfortable.
Never thought I would need you. Wish I had.
The fire's coming on to me. Hey.
Can you see what's inside me? Like that.
The fire's coming out to me.
Can you see what's inside me? Like that. Around what you can see. We can't get too comfortable.
Hey, 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 the fire's coming on to me. The fire's coming on to me. The fire, hey, the fire's I know it. The fire is coming up. One more! One more! One more! Good job!
Pause that, TG. You gotta make some more noise for Shamica.
We were so not professional. Yo, she did so good, you guys. Like, I can't get over how good she was. Like, what? I was nervous for her because I was like, oh my god, I hope she does good. But she did amazing. Did you guys see it? I recorded it. You guys seen it, right? You guys seen it, right? You guys seen it, right? Like this video and leave a comment. Give her some amazing feedback, negative feedback, any kind of feedback. It doesn't matter what it is. Let her know what you guys thought of her performance. She is so amazing. And if you haven't, go subscribe to her YouTube channel. Follow her on Instagram. I'll leave all the links in the description box below for you guys to contact my girl. My girl, she gonna be big. We gonna be big together and stuff. We gonna get rich off of these. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get rich off these girls. You know what I'm saying? Shit.
I've been telling her for
Shit, I wasn't giving her my clothes when I was younger for no damn reason. We wasn't sharing the same damn shit for no damn reason. This girl gonna be real. She gonna be real.
Rihanna, watch out.
Girl, shoot. Yo, guys, like we were legit singing like our hearts out.
I really was. Like,
Yo,
I was like at the back.
I recorded Shay because Shay was so funny.
He was really into it.
Yo,
Nice
yo.
to meet you.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna show Bailey the footage. Yes, after her performance, Shamica, Shamwell. How do you feel? Yes? How are you? How do you feel about your performance?
There's a few things that I want to change. Maddie. My background music.
Okay.
My background vocals.
Okay. I told you to put me on the stage, girl. I told you to put me in on the stage.
So next time I have to book performers. This is Zoe Brown. She's the first singer/dancer
Hey,
that I'm gonna have.
where's sis?
She's with the baby.
I get one with that.
What happened to baby father?
No, sorry, it's him. It's on him. Sorry.
Am I vlogging? It's for the vlog. Welcome to the baby.
Yes.